दोस्तों गाइस सी, ये है फर्स्ट लार्वल स्टेज मेटामॉर्फोसिस में, नेम स्टेज भी बोल सकते हैं हम इसको, ऑफ दी मॉस्किटो। देन आप लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे हवा बहुत तेज़ चल रही है, मेरे यहाँ पे एरिया पे घूम रहा है। देन यू कैन सी दिस I'm trying to focus this name stage. This is the second name stage, second larval stage in mosquito. I'm not able to clearly show to you all. Yes, here you can see, guys, this is the second stage where the mosquito starts evolving, and this is the name stage second, where mosquito larva will come out of water. As you can see here, it is trying to come out of water. The nose, you can see here, it's a developed nose. It is coming from out of its a cocoon like thing, and this bright black dot type is the first stage of the metamorphosis of mosquito, and this is the second, which you can see. Guys, see this is the second stage. This is the closest I can be to this, the second named stage of the second larval stage of mosquito, where the mosquito is now, this is a transition state, you can say that, because this is the state between where the mosquito and the first larva is connected, and after this stage the mosquito will come out of its existence. See, you can here see that the cocoon has come out of it, and now you will be thinking, you have a question, I think you will have a question, that why are they not moving? Because all the mosquitoes, one pair or one side, one wing is developed but another wing is not developed. That's why they are waiting. And in the metamorphosis, always remember guys, the wings takes the longest time to develop, and during this time the mosquito or any insect is susceptible or weak. They can't fly, they don't know what is happening to them. They are just in a state of evolving, and if you can put your hand or pinch or do anything, the mosquito will not be able to defend itself. He is in defenseless state this time. So see guys, this is if you can see this, you can clearly understand why I have told that second larval stage is in MCC. The mosquito's full body is coming. This is the second larval stage, and it's evolving to become the mosquito. It's beneath the water. It's been lying still beneath, under the water, not above, but still you can see the mosquito is slowly developing. And here you can see why the mosquito is not I'm recording here, and you can see that the mosquito is not moving at all, and it is like, you can see that you will see that like it is, the mosquito is posing in a way, but actually that is not. The mosquito is defenseless is this state, because metamorphosis के टाइम पे सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट स्टेज होता है, सबसे लंबा टाइम विंग्स बनने में लगता है, और इस टाइम तक अगर विंग्स नहीं बनते हैं, या अगर कोई भी मेटामॉर्फोसिस की एक प्रोसेस ढंग से नहीं होती है, तो मॉस्किटो डेवलपमेंट नहीं होगा, या कोई भी इंसेक्ट डेवलपमेंट नहीं होगा. अब ये सब्सेप्टेबल है क्योंकि अभी इसके एक साइड के विंग्स डेवलप हो गए मॉस्किटो के, दूसरे साइड के विंग्स नहीं डेवलप हुए. जब दूसरे साइड के विंग्स डेवलप हो जाएंगे, इट विल फ्लाई, एंड इनफैक्ट एवरी एनिमल इट गेट्स ब्लड चूसेगा, और क्या मतलब खून ही चूसेगे मस्किटोज. बट हियर यू कैन सी हाउ द मॉस्किटोज आर स्टार्ट डेवलपिंग first black stage C. I will recap this. I will revise this video to you. See here, the first larva stage, you can see the first larva stage, the black dots. The black dots are coming. The second stage is this, where it's gonna transform. This is the transition state. It has just started. In this larva, it has just started, and in this larva, it's beginning to end. You can see here the wings are some part of the mosquito is coming out. Here you can see some part of the mosquito we know is tried to coming out, and here you can see the mosquito has almost come out, and its wings are also started developing. So here you have it, guys. Three stages of the mosquito metamorphosis. I hope this will help you understand entomology better.